Today we've had a competition about who can build the best sustainable model, and we represent our school, Dubai International Private School Organised, and we won first place in it.
We are from Al Sadiq Islamic English School, and we participate in the GBS Sustainability Building Competition, and we have won second place.
We are from India International School, and today we are here at GBS Dubai for a competition of building sustainable cities.
And the experience was really nice. Over here we got to learn so many new things.
I've learned during this competition is how to improve my presentation skills, and also I've learned a lot about how to be more sustainable and how it can help the earth.
The project itself was a very big learning opportunity for us. We got to learn a lot about research, collaboration, and we also developed a lot of leading abilities.
We got to explore other people's project, and we got to know a lot more about sustainability. So the experience was really nice.
We've not just learned about sustainability in other countries, we've learned it in United Arab Emirates. We've learned about the COP28, and we've investigated the place, and we found that it was a really nice place, and it makes us can't wait to go to college.
The GBS campus, it's very nice. The moment we entered here, it was really clean, it was just amazing.
We visited the campus all around, and we found it very beautiful, a lot of good interior, which we really enjoyed.
It's a very welcoming campus, and we look forward to coming here once again.